Hello students, exercise 3.4. Here we discuss about class 10 mathematics. So question number 1 here, solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and substitution method. So students, in exercise 3.3 we have discussed about substitutional method, but here we discuss both the method elimination and substitutional also. So first we talk about the elimination method. So let me take question number first part first. Here let first part x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2 here. In elimination method, here we have to remove one coefficient, make equal first, and after coefficient and variable we have to remove one, whether it was x or it was y. So let me take here, you see any coefficient we should to try make equal. So here you see this is the, let me take the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in equation number 2, that is 2, and here the coefficient of x is 1. So we have to, we multiplied 2, we multiplied by 2 in equation number 1. So here this is the equation number 1 and here we multiplied, that is 2x plus 2y equal to 10, and this is the equation, let me take 2x 3y equal to 4. So let me take, this is the equation 4 third and this is the equation 4 we can assume here, and after that you see here the coefficient is equal of any variable, whether it is x and it is y. So here we try to make the equals coefficients equal of x. So after equal x and the sign of any variable remains same, so you have to change the sign by subtracting. So we have to change the sign, and here minus and here plus. After subtracting we here see that is plus and that is 2x minus. So we remove this, and after that here you see 2y and 3y is also plus. So here this is 5y equal to 10 plus and here 4 minus. So we got here 6 and we get the value of y, that is y equal to 6 over 5. So students, in according to question we have to first eliminate any variable here. So we have eliminate, after that you see we have to use substitutional also. So you can use substitutional, that is y equal to 6 over 5. So the value of y equal to 6 over 5 in any of equation. So let me see, this is the equation first. So we put the value x plus y equal to 5 and here we put the value of y, that is 6 over 5 equal to y. So x equal to y, x equal to 5 and 6 over 5 we take here. So the sign should be changed, that is 6 over 5, and here you see x equal to, we take 1 and LCM 5, after that 525 minus 6 equal to, here we get 19 over 5. So the value of x is 19 over 5 and the value of y is 6 over 5. So this is the value of x and y by using the elimination method and substitutional method. So this is the part first of question number 1. Now we take another part of second, third and fourth part is given. So you can take any parts here. So let me take the parts. This is fourth part. We try to solve here to take. So fourth part we take. Fourth part here x over 2 plus 2y over 3 equal to minus 1. And here x minus y over 3 equal to 3. So here you see students, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, peak and faults. So after this writing the fourth part of question number 1, we have to make equal any variable. Just like here we have to make equal, this is the x coefficient, and here we try to make equal the y coefficient. So y coefficient here 2y over 3 and y over 3. So here you see we multiplied by 2 here. So after multiplied by 2 we get here x over 2 plus 2y over 3 equal to minus 1, and here 2x minus 2y over 3 equal to 6. So after this we get here, this is the equation 3rd and this is the equation 4, students. So when the sign are different, so you have not need to change the sign of the any variable. If the sign are equal, so you have to need to change the sign of variables. So here our sign is different, here plus and here minus. So we can write this by adding equation 3rd and 4th. So after adding we here see x over 2 plus 2x here minus 1 plus 6. So we can take here LCM. So this is 2 and here x plus 4x equal to 5. So after that we got here x and 4x 5x, 5x over 2 and 5. So here we got 5x 10 and x equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. So we can put the value of 2 any of the equation. So let me see to put the value of any of the equation. So here we can put the value. So here you see students the value of x equal to 2. Put in first equation first. So that is first equation is x over 2 plus 2y over 3 equal to minus 1. So the value of x is 2. So here you see 2 over 2 plus 2y over 3 equal to minus 1. So here one time 1 plus 2y over 3 equal to minus 1, and this 1 transfer from the right side, so the sign should be changed here. 2y over 3 equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So we get here 2y equal to minus 2, and here you see 3, so we can multiply it here 3, and 2y equal to minus 6, and y equal to here we get minus 3. By 2 we divide 6, so y equal to minus 3. So we can write the value here x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. So this is the answer, and you can understood by the way of solving this method by elimination. Elimination method, you have to make equalize the any of coefficients and variable, that is x and y, and here in substitutional method you have to remove the any, find out the any variable's value and you have to put. So this is the substitutional method. Then